Kranzle 7122. Kranzle unboxing, showing what's inside. So this is the 7122, 7 liters per minute. Apart from the manual, everything is out. Good, we've got the specifications, you can have a look at that. The 7122 on the left hand side. You can adjust the pressure between 10 and 120 bar. Nozzle size is 028. The maximum temperature for the system in total is 60 degrees. The steel braided high pressure hose is 10 meters, as you can read there. It draws 7.5 amp from a 230 volt circuit. It is 1.6 kilowatt draw from the mains, and it produces 1 kilowatt worth of effective work. The unit weighs 23 kilograms. You can see the dimensions. It's very, very quiet. 69.2 decibels. So that is extremely quiet in comparison to most other things. A rather much nicer hose, as you can see. No quick connects, all M2214, but that is good. The started for lance rear entry, not for hot water, maximum 100 degrees, and likely you can see through there brass components, stainless steel lance, and the standard nozzle. And this particular nozzle is a 028. Few fittings, extra O-rings supplied, and then the unit itself, brass pump head, very big motor, oil fill port, power switch on the back, specifications, oil drain port down at the bottom, oil level port, but not needed anymore, and the unloader valve. That's a glycerin filled with air bubble to compensate for pressure between sea level and high altitude, to dampen the vibrations as the pressure varies. It's a very, very nice wicker pressure gauge, and it's got PSI, MPa and bar scales, bar in black, MPa blue, PSI in red. Going back to the front, this is the total stop pressure controller. So when you trigger the gun, it will sense the loss of pressure, it will start the motor. When you release the trigger of the gun, it will sense the pressure build up and it will stop the motor. This is standard Gardena style for South Africa water inlet, and this would be the water outlet.